The Xiaomi Mi's Mix 2S Mobile features a 5.99 15.21 cm display with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2160 pixels and runs on Android v8.1 Oreo operating system. The device is powered by octa-core 2.8 GHz Cairo 385 processor paired with 6 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3400 mAh over that. As far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 12MP camera CMOS image sensor, XMR CMOS sensor supporting a resolution of 4000 x 3000 pixels, and the front snapper is powered by a CMOS image sensor, XMR CMOS sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass, gyroscope. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got the Adreno 630 GPU. Onboard storage is at 64 GB with the option to expand the memory by no. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 8.1 mm slim and weighs 189 grams.